Hi, welcome back to my channel. Lots to do today. Featuring. This is the car. Milk truck. I'm gonna do another updated. Oh yeah, very strength. Battery, / battery, Energizer Max. I'm gonna do it in the battery review on my remote, toys, and so many more. Oh, sorry. Hubba Max. Not Hubba Max, but Hubba Bubba Tape. This is awesome original. 6 feet of fun. I love Hubba Bubbas. This is just like a battery in it. Oh yeah, also try Energizer Ultimate Luminous. I'm going doing an Energizer review. But yeah. But we'll start with milk first. The truck when you've seen. I guess maybe yeah. This is just like a car toy. I guess. Oh, yeah. And also I have another car. Just like this. Yeah, that's fine. Just like this. Go with your home. So I can just put you in your home. And yeah. That's it with it. And the first step, let's start with the Energizer 4 batteries. Yeah. Energizer Go with the worlds. Wow. I brought this in at Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply, yay! So when you ever finding Energizer batteries, yeah. You can choose. I'm gonna choose an Energizer Max. When you ever seen, I guess, yeah. But not actually a because he has an Energizer bunny up there. Ooh, they got the Energizer Go rewards. Buy and redeem, yay! I cannot go to online because this is the normal. Let's just leave it in there. When you see. Next up, the last one is Hubba Bubba Bubble Tape. This is an awesome original. 6 feet of fun. This is just like oh, that one, yeah, I don't know. Well, you know, I guess maybe the Energizer has the batteries in it. I'm gonna leave it here because if you want it with the car. Oh no, I guess it's the bubble tape. Try this one first. It kind of looks like a bubble tape. Oh, let's have it. Awesome original, yay! Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.